Welcome to the in front of me Doogee S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. If the developer options, if they are activated, you'll see here the section. Now just click here, and to hide them you should click only once on the switch or near the developer options, and now you can set that all of the options they are blocked. And now when we'll go back here into the system section, we can set that the developer options section is gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.